Okay, moving on. Let's talk about listeners now. We So there are a number of listeners that we use. So on a regular basis, you will be using the summary report. So the summary report will give all this information. It will give the number of samples that are fired. It will give the average. The average is how long did it take. The minimum, how long minimum the minimum amount of time it took by any sample, the maximum time it took by any sample. What is the standard deviation? How many errors did occur in that specific sample? So this is one sample. However many times this is going to run, this is going to be captured here. The total number is going to be captured here. So this is the error. Let's say if request 1 ran 20 times and there were 10 errors. So over here it will say 50% error. So throughput, what is the transaction per second look like? Okay, what is the KB received, what is the sent, and what is the average byte? Similarly, it's going to be for request 2. Okay, so now let's add another listener. Aggregator report. Let's add another listener. We really don't have to use any more listeners for now. These all will just do fine. Or let's just take it in. Okay. So everything is within the test plan, yes. So aggregator report has to go in within the test plan. Okay, so okay, we did talk about this. Okay, now aggregated report. Aggregated report is pretty much same as summary report, but there's a little bit of difference here. It will give you the number of samples. It will give you the average time. It will also give you the median. It will give you the 90 percentile, 95 percentile, and 99 percentile. What exactly these three means? Okay, 90 percentile means that 90% of the requests took either less than this time or equals to this time. So whatever the time number we will get. Similarly is 95. So 95% of the requests took less than this time or is equals to this time. Similarly, similarly we have error, throughput, KB, and let's see everything in action. Over here, let's do 10. Okay, we can see over here. So 20 times the number request 1 was fired, 20 times the number 2 was fired. The average time was this, the 90 percentile was this, 95 was this, and 99 was this. That means 90% of the requests took either 96 or less than 96. Similarly, 99% of the requests took 434 or less than this. So there were 0 errors because there were no errors. So this will also tell us the total of all these samples. So a lot of times this is the exact numbers that you guys will be asked.